Come on. This way. You look so cute.
You look great, Ben.
Go think, pretty girl. Mama's pretty sweet.
Guys, you gotta stand here. Sure. Alright, Rosie, I might need to. Thank you. Right out.
Your whole guy's in plaid.
Yeah. A little checkered shirt.
Ash,
Keep them on. Keep them on. We're gonna sing that song 2 times, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. She's right there. I see her, Andrew. Don't worry. You're gonna sing loud so she can hear, okay? Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? Ready? Remember, nice and loud, okay? It's okay. Let's sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, star, way up high is where you are, shining there for all to see. On the tip top of our tree, twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, shine up there till morning light. Where is Santa? Where is Santa? Here I am. Here I am. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a little green tree in the house. Here is my trunk. Here are my bolts. Decorate me up with lights so fine, and plug in and watch me shine.
Okay, we're gonna sing it again, so in case some parents didn't get to see, we'll move a little bit so they can see or hear.
Carrie, are you getting this? Do you want me to do it for you?
I do have it a little.
You want to come up?
The twinkle Christmas star, way up high is where you are, shining there for all to see. On the tip top of our tree, twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, shine up there till morning light. Where is Santa? Where is Santa? Here I am. Here I am. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Just wait, you gotta let Miss Ashley's glasses on. Okay. You can sit on my lap, okay? Sit down.
Nice to you.
Spread out.
Ben.
Kennedy, look at the puppy.
I'm not in your way, am I?
Not yet.
So let's send it now, and then then we'll reverse it to the other parents who are going back to DC. So they can send it one time.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's what I thought.
Get a chance to see.
Yeah, your mom's gonna be in here and you can sing it again. Okay? I sing one more time. Yeah, mom's gonna be in here.
Where'd you try to cover it?
Mommy,